Food storage containers are a common item in many households, particularly for those who like to meal prep, store leftovers, or pack lunches for work or school. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and materials, and can offer different features and benefits depending on your needs. Some of the most popular materials for food storage containers include plastic, glass, and stainless steel. Plastic containers are lightweight and durable, but can be prone to staining and absorbing odors over time. Glass containers are heavier and more fragile, but are better for reheating and are less likely to retain odors. Stainless steel containers are durable and long-lasting, but can be more expensive. When choosing food storage containers, it's important to consider factors such as size, shape, lid type, and overall quality. You want to make sure that the containers are leak-proof, airtight, and easy to clean, and that they can withstand the temperatures of your fridge, freezer, or microwave. A possible script for your YouTube video review of food storage containers. Title: Food Storage Containers Review. Which ones are worth your money? Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to review some food storage containers that I've been using for a while, and share my thoughts on their quality, durability, and overall value. Overview. First, let's talk about the different types of food storage containers available, and their pros and cons. I'll go over the most common materials, including plastic, glass, and stainless steel, and discuss their benefits and drawbacks. Usage. Next, I'll show you the food storage containers I've been using, and how I've been using them. I'll discuss their sizes, shapes, and lid types, as well as any special features they offer, such as stackability or compartmentalization. Pros. Then, I'll share the things I love about these food storage containers, including their durability, leak-proof design, and easy-to-clean surfaces. I'll also discuss any unique benefits of each type of container, and how they've helped me with my meal prep and storage needs. Cons. On the flip side, I'll also point out any downsides or limitations of these food storage containers, such as their weight, fragility, or tendency to absorb odors. I'll also discuss any issues I've had with the lids or seals, and how they've affected the overall usability of the containers. Conclusion. Finally, I'll give you my honest opinion on whether these food storage containers are worth your money. Based on my experience using them, I'll discuss their overall value, and who I would recommend them to. I'll also highlight any tips or tricks I've learned along the way for getting the most out of your food storage containers. Outro. Thanks for watching my review of these food storage containers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and demos. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you next time.